believe that a massive altcoin season is about to come in a few days from now. It could be February 3rd, it could be 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, but in February, we're definitely going to see the start of an altcoin season, and I'm going to explain to you guys why. We're going to be having a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. We just cleared that order block. If you guys saw my video yesterday, that's very, very bullish sign. We're also going to be having a look right here at the total. This is the total market cap. We're going to be dissecting this chart in a second, and we're also going to be having a look at Ethereum and how this could affect the market cap of the total and of course the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, now of course at the end of the day, in order for us to see an altcoin season, we need to see the Bitcoin dominance fall down. We cannot see the Bitcoin dominance pumping and us see an altcoin season. That's not what an altcoin season is. So that's what's happening right now. By the way, 87% of people who are watching these videos, or my videos specifically, are not subscribed. So I would really, really appreciate it if you guys would smash the subscribe button, leave a like if you guys do like these videos. Anyways, having a look right here at the crypto bubble, everything is looking pretty green right now. Everything is looking fantastic. You cannot deny. Now, if you guys remember on my Discord, I said I'm short on the total on the market cap until 3.28. So you can expect altcoins to bleed a little bit more. And the total right now is 3.58. Now, that was January 18, 2025. That was exactly 10 days ago. If we have a look right here on the total, 3.58 was approximately right here. And we pretty much took a nice dump. Now, if you guys remember a few seconds ago, I said I was short until 3.28, right? 3.28 is actually right here. Now, why 3.28? Number one, okay, let's just dissect it. Number one, we do have an order block right here, okay? So this is the order block. That's one of the big reasons why I essentially took that short. Number two, if you actually take this triangular pattern or this diamond pattern and you actually bring it to the downside, we were essentially gonna, come back down, and that was the breakout right here. I even made a tweet on Twitter and I said, guys, simple trade. All you have to do is short, nothing too crazy. I don't know if you guys saw that tweet, and pretty much we crashed. And number three is that if you even take the Fibonacci and you take it from the bottom right here and you extend it to the top, you could see right here that the 0.618 is actually the golden pocket. So this is actually a very important, area for traders. So I know a lot of people are going to be like, oh, it's because of DeepSeek. That's why the market dumped. That's why the market crashed. You got lucky. I literally just showed you guys 3 analysis on why there was a chance to pretty much see 3.28 again. Another thing is that the stock market didn't recover, right? The stock market didn't recover. Why did crypto recover and the stock market didn't recover, right? So it wasn't really because of DeepSeek. We needed this shakeout. We needed to see that order block be cleared in order for us to continue to the upside. Now, does that mean we're going to essentially go up and go parabolic? Well, we need to clear this. If we clear this sell order block or this bearish order block right here sitting at 3.62 and we close above it, that would be very bullish, and we're going to see your altcoins pretty much boom. Now, if we have a look at the Bitcoin dominance, if you guys remember in my video yesterday, what did I say? Well, I said if this order block gets cleared right here, this is the order block, okay, from this area right here, and we saw when we came below it, we saw what happened. We pretty much crashed. If this gets cleared, then high chance pretty much we're going to get a rejection and pretty much start the altcoin season. So we're going to have to see what happens. I started accumulating altcoins again heavily. The big question is, are we going to see, the Bitcoin dominance go to 61.18? Are we going to see Ethereum keep on continue to bleed? Because we know historically, right, the majority of this Bitcoin dominance right here, or the majority of whatever is going on with the Bitcoin dominance is because of Ethereum. We know Ethereum is the number 2 crypto, big market cap crypto. So we're gonna have to see what happens. It does hold 12% of the total cryptocurrency. So when Ethereum doesn't dump, or when Ethereum doesn't pump, it causes a lot of chaos right here to the Bitcoin dominance. So we're gonna have to see what happens if Ethereum can successfully break above 3,300. I wouldn't be surprised if Ethereum starts ultimately going parabolic from there. Now, you could see that we do have 2 weeks right here, so there's a lot of sell pressure, of course, but we of course have the support right here holding us. So as long as we stay above $3,000, I wouldn't be surprised to see Ethereum continue to go up or remain bullish. But guys, this pattern is still a bearish pattern. Yes, we are in a massive bull flag. You guys can say that this is a big bull flag, and we're most likely going to see this, something like that. But we could also still come back down and remain bearish. We could still go to as low as 2,740, believe it or not, and retest this area and actually still be bullish. So we could actually see something like this before exploding to the top side. Now, obviously, you should definitely be taking advantages of all the dips. I don't think it's yet the time to leverage, maybe 3x maximum, but I don't think it's yet to go on 10x, just yet. There's absolutely no confirmation. I think as soon as we get, the 1-2 candle closure on the daily time frame, you could expect a massive boom on Ethereum. followed by altcoin. So we're gonna have to see what happens right here on this chart. And regarding Bitcoin, guys, we need to see Bitcoin consolidate. If we want to see an altcoin season, we need to see Bitcoin consolidate for at least like a month. Okay, it's gonna be boring. And how does an altcoin season start? Pretty much people get bored of Bitcoin and they essentially start throwing their money on something that's more volatile, like Ethereum, Sui, Solana, etc. So if you guys want to see that massive altcoin season, we obviously need to see Bitcoin consolidate and we need to see the Bitcoin dominance pretty much fall down. Now, I will be super, super bullish, guys, if the Bitcoin dominance falls above 56.7, and even more bullish on altcoins if it falls below 54%. I mean, right here, this is just a cherry on top. I know a lot of people are like, oh yeah, but it's the trend line. If we break the trend line, there's going to be a lot of fake outs. We could definitely see something like this happening. I mean, look what happened. A lot of people were calling altcoin season here, and guess what happened? We came down and everyone got wrecked. And I told you guys that we might essentially go up and retest the top side. So that's what's happening right here. Overall, if you guys do want to join my Discord, the link will be in the description below. I made a pretty nice call right here. A bunch of people are making money right here on the trading PNL. You guys can see right here that people are absolutely cooking and people are absolutely printing right here on my Discord. The Discord is free. The link will be in the description below. But overall, guys, the crypto bubble is looking good. XRP had a nice little partnership with Ondo announcement today. We got KuCoin pumping, Trump coin. I made a video about this yesterday, how it is a good buy opportunity at $26 ever since Trump coin is up 10%. So you guys can go ahead and check out that video. But things are looking good, guys. I think it's only a matter of time before we see an altcoin season. By the way, I would not rule out a double bottom here before exploding to the top side. Just letting you guys know that's very possible that we start reversing maybe today, tomorrow, and then have a nice little double bottom before going to the upside. To end this video, the bearish scenario is that if we actually break below the 3.28 on the total, okay, so the total market cap, we could actually see we could actually see altcoins pretty much crash even more. So this is a very important level that needs to be held, in my opinion, because if not, you're most likely going to see your altcoins crash even more, and that means that Ethereum is most likely going to go to 2,700, in my opinion, and your altcoins, Cadena, Veracity, Jupiter, it doesn't matter what it is, they're most likely going to tank another 25%, which is not something that to see. So if you guys do like these videos, again, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next